Hello. To make sure that your Viator link is attached to your name, you want to make sure that you're logged in with Viator under Viator Travel Agent. So right here it says travelagents.viator.com. I'm going to click there. And then it says, well, a lot of things. It'll say your name up here top right. And then when you go to share something with your client, that share with client right here. And then this is specifically, you can also click into it here. It'll still, as long as it says your name up here and you click share with client and copy that link, when they go to open it, now it'll look a little bit different here. So what I'm going to do is go back and log out and close the Viator that I had. Okay, so I'm going to go into a new tab and I'm going to paste that link. But the most important thing you're going to see up here is that it says that partner ID number, that's Archer's partner ID number up here in the URL. It says P, all the 06875, and then it says user ID number, and then this is the user ID for you, even though it has nothing to do with your Evolution ID number. This is the user ID number that's going to be with Viator. So that way I know that this link is going to be linked to my commission. So hitting enter there, this is what your client is going to see. And just double, triple check with them. And it says up here, top left, your agent, and then your name right there. And then they can actually go ahead and book it themselves. And then it will pop up for you as you just need a commission there. If every once in a while, Viator does run promotions, they might have, 15% off for Archer agents. That would be something you want to let your clients know. I have definitely booked that for my clients instead of having them book it just in case, because I think I gave it to them one time and they ended up calling it in. And since they called it in, it definitely was not connected to me. So they were able to book it through a typical, just a standard Viator, and that's where the commission went, not to me. So just knowing that if there is a promo code, I know I've told my clients prior to, I have a promo code, I can enter it in for you. Just let me know which excursion, what date, how many guests, and let's make sure we're on the same page. And then I can put that promo code in for you and get you that extra 15%. But I think I've seen that they might do it at least 2 times a year. Maybe they do it quarterly.